Good morning to one and all. We are batch 16. Our project title is EV Battery Management System with Charge Monitor and Fire Protection. My name is Kavyashree. We did this project under the guidance of Mr. A.V. Satyanarayana sir. Today I am here to explain to you regarding our project. Vehicles are undoubtedly the way of future. However, as of 2024, EV technology has not reached its full potential in efficiency and safety. The cause of majority of the electric vehicle fire events is due to the battery explosion. This project presents an integrated approach to manage EV battery systems, which combines a battery management system with charge monitoring as well as fire protection. This system inbuilt to continuously monitor battery's voltage and also temperature, and it will immediately turn off the battery, and its input and output will be unexpected behavior is detected, and it will isolate the system from the battery.
Myself Lalita. Now I am explaining the components we use in our project. Transformer 12 volts, cooling medium fan. We use it three relays. One is connected to fan and another is conformed to transformer and other is gear motor. And we used voltage sensor, node MCU, BMS charge module and lithium ion battery, potential of 4 volts, and we used DHT temperature sensor.
I am Soumya. Myself Bhargavi. We are going to explain the working of our project. Whenever we switch on the supply, the transformer automatically turns on.
Then there are 3 relays we are connected. Automatically one relay is turned on. It is connected to load. Whenever the supply is connected, the load automatically turns on.
We have connected the system to the node MCU, and we are using it using the Blink IoT software. And here in the software, this temperature is measured by the DHT sensor, and this is the potential of the battery, that is lithium ion battery, and this is 82% is the charging percentage of the battery. We have 2 options which are turn on, cut off, which we can turn on and turn off, and this is load on and off.
Whenever temperature is too high, automatically fan is turned on until the temperature cools down.
So the minimal temperature we have given for this project is 33. Since this is 32.8, the temperature of the project will be around 32. So the project works in a minimal condition, and the load turns on normally. If the temperature rises above 33, then we can observe that the cooling medium turns on.
Load is automatically off.
If we put on the load using the software also, the load doesn't turn on.
Whenever temperature is too high or battery is too full, we can check the mails automatically.
We get notification in the mails as well. Now we are going to show the demo working of our project. First we need to switch on. And we can see that the temperature is less than 33 degrees. So the load automatically turns on, and here the relay regarding the load turns on automatically. Whenever the temperature increases more than 33 degrees, then the load automatically turns off. Let's wait till the temperature turns on more than 33 degrees Celsius. With the increase in temperature, we observe that the temperature is around 38.5. The minimal temperature we have given is 33. So if the temperature is more than 33, so automatically the load gets turned off, and the medium temperature, that is fan, is automatically on. Now if we turn on the load, we we observe that the temperature is high, so it is giving a warning message in our Blink IoT software.
And also mail also we are get a notification.
We get the notification as the temperature is too high.
It's like a warning.
Until the temperature reaches 33, the fan automatically rotates, and when the temperature is less than 33, it automatically gets turned off and the load will be on again.
Now this relay is turned on because this relay is connected to the fan. That's why this relay is turned on.
We observe that there is increase and decrease in the temperature because of this DHT sensor.
Whenever temperature is cooled down,
Again we got the notification the temperature is too high.
also we get mail.
We get the mail as
also.
well.
Whenever the temperature is cools down, automatically fan turn off and automatically load is turned on. This is the
This is the working of our project.
project.